To export contacts on Honor 600 Pro, first of all, you will need to open your Contacts app. Next step is to navigate to the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and go to the settings. Click on Import/Export, and then there's three options to export. First one is export to storage as a file. You can also export them to your SIM card, or you can share contacts using different methods for sharing. There's plenty of them, so you can choose whichever option you like. In this case, I'm going to focus to export them into the storage. So here, let's select device, the Google and SIM, for example. You can go for device only or Meet as well. You can select all of the options, so pick whichever one you like and click on OK. After that, you'll be able to save the file that will contain all of that contact, and then you can move this file from the downloads folder to somewhere else and then import them to other device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.